I am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice. So you can go to a sixth chord. So you can do I am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice. And it all. Welcome back CCM Piano Academy. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a very easy diminished chord hack you can try today as a beginner. So let's in the key of C. So let's take a song. You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. So there's a minor chord. You are God alone. So you can try something. You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. I did inversion. So inversions. Very easy. So to go to a minor chord. Or something you can also do as well would be you are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. So you can do Fi, Z, La. Or if you want, you can do Fa, Di. Something. My right hand. My left hand. Another example will be Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, Miracle. Another example will be what a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, our King. Very easy. What I do? Another example, let's say, I am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice. So you can go to a sixth chord. So you can do I am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice. And it all. I have heard in the arms of faith. So that is very easy, something you can do. Another one you can do is let's try to make that sixth chord major. Let's make that sixth chord major. So let's try something. I am thine, O Lord. I am thy voice, and it told that to the feet. Then in the arms of faith. So what did I do? I did say something. I did. So and then continue. If you want, you can make it diminish, or if you want, you can do a drop too. So then if you want, you can try that again. So An example: Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper. So another example will be, what a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ our King. Or the last example will be, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Wait, how sweet the save. Okay, I'm supposed to do it faster. So, the amazing grace, how sweet the sound. The amazing grace, how sweet the sound. That saved a rich. So you have to be faster on Amazing Grace. So yeah, that's it for today. I've shown you a different way you can use your diminished chords. Again, the first one was to play your diminished chord in inversion. So I did. So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Then the second one was, I showed you Fizila. So V. So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Then the third way I showed you was to do this one. So you can do Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saves. Then the other one was, I showed you. So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saves. Then the other one was so Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saves a rich like me. I want So that's it for today. And if you'd like to learn more diminished movements just like this, check out my piano course. It's going to be the top link in the description. And if you'd like to keep learning more from me, click on this video right now.